Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. As the title of the video suggests, this is my plan to pan in 2024. So all the items, how I've done it, I've gone through all the items in my collection that are on the older side and I want to get them out of the collection. So there's a lot. We'll go through it and how I apply it, but they're all at the bottom now. So actually we can talk about this one. So Amy kindly gifted me this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Eye Base. And I wear it most days anyway, so it should be easy to pan. Like, when I say pan, I mean get rid of it completely. So that's that. So yeah, there's not really much to say about that one. Oh, this as well, this is a primer. Everyone raves about it. Can somebody who loves this so much tell me what's so good about it? So it's the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Now, I personally don't rave about it at all. It's probably about half full. How many mils are we getting? We're getting 15 mils, so it shouldn't take too long if I'm using it on the daily. The thing is, all these products are going to have to be incorporated with my Shop My Stash products, because if I take my Shop My Stash down and don't do any Shop My Stash videos, I'm worried that people are going to go, because a lot of my subscribers found me through Shop My Stash. But yeah, I want to do it anyway. I want to continue it because I really, really like it and I'm used to it now because I've been doing it 4 years. So yeah, that's that. There's another kind of skincare product here. It's a Boot Glow Dewy Serum. Again, only 15 mil, so that should be relatively easy. I need to get the foundation. Do I need 2 primers? Only 1 primer at a time. So which one should I use? I think the Becca one is older, so we'll still go with the Becca one, but I did actually pull the Revolution one in as well. So I'm going to put that back. That'll go back in the collection. It does say Revolution Beam Dream Primer there, so we need to change that to Becca. Okay. So this is an old foundation. We can't even get Flower Beauty anymore in the UK. So it's the Flower Light Illusion Luminous Makeup Nude Skin Feel. Mine is in the lighter shade that you can get. A date on it? Are you kidding? Right, I can't use this. I could use it, but I'm not going to. January 2021. Bin. Right, so there's another one then. Just behind here. So it's this Wet n Wild one. This one doesn't have a date on it. But I bought this after the Flower Beauty one. I'm sure I didn't buy that in 2021 or 2020. I would need to go and look at my channel, but we'll use this instead. It's practically a full bottle. I smelled it when I did my Shop My Stash. It didn't smell bad. So this one is, what shade is it? So the shade is Soft Ivory. So we're going to use that. Oh, I need to change that as well, don't I? So I know which one I'm using. Wet n Wild. If I would have used that, it would have been 3 years out of date on my skin, guys. I can't use it. I know some people wouldn't be bothered about putting foundation that old on my skin. I'm a mature lady and I need to be bothered about it. I need to take care of my skin. So what's up next then? Oh, the concealer, that's right. Right, so you can see all the windows, can't you? It shouldn't take me long. If I'm using this by itself, I might have to pull in a lighter one, just purely because it's too dark. You can see it's too dark. So I might have to use a lighter one with it. I mean, blended in, it's my natural skin. No, it's not even that. It's a little bit darker than my natural skin tone. Can you see that it goes to there and then the pastiness comes through? So yeah, I'm going to use that. And then we've got the Primark Strobing highlighter. I've had this a while as well. I just want to use it up, guys. Just want to get it out of the collection. It's in the shade Pearl. So we're going to be using that just under foundations. And then we've got the e.l.f. Sheer Tint. This one's nearly done, so it shouldn't take too long. That's that one there. Oh yeah, the misting sprays and the setting sprays. I'm going to be using this one up, but that won't be an issue because I'm using it every single day. It looks like that. I think it feels like half's gone anyway. Can I have a look at it? See. You're not going to be able to see, and if I tip it up, it's all going to come out. I'd say I've got 3/4 left in there. So that one And then for setting spray, I'm going to be using this Technique Glow, which is it's in the Revolution Fix and Glow bottle. After that one, I don't know whether I'm going to get the Technique one again or I'm going to get the Revolution Fix and Glow. But this should last me a little while anyway. I think I've got one more setting spray in the bathroom that's like that. It's a shimmery one. So I might put it in that bottle and see if I can use it. If I don't like it, then I'll just go out and get either one of those setting sprays again because they're both really good. The Technique one is obviously cheaper, so it might be in my interest to get the Technique one, but I do really like the Revolution one as well. So next up, no, we're not going to do eyeshadows. I don't apply the eyeshadows. So next up then will be, I've not chosen a bronzer. So bronzer will be whatever bronzer I want to bring into the Shop My Stash. Highlight, no blusher. So I've got two blushes here. Normally I wouldn't pick this, but literally it's all guys. Actual product is probably down here, so I thought why not pan it. Desi recently bought it for me. It's the LA Colours Cream Gel Blush in Tainted Love, so I want to pan that. How much product do you get in this? 8 grams, but there's not 8 grams there, no way. Say I've already nearly finished it. And then the powder blush is this one by Hourglass. Now I've had this for so long, and it's the Dim Infusion one. I want to use it a bit more as well. So that's that. Then we'll go to highlighters. So I've had this in for so long. This is probably my 2nd or 3rd year of me actually using it, but I really want to focus on it this year. Like the last year I focused on it, but I've really only used it maybe once or twice in my Shop My Stash videos. As you can see, I panned it. I really wouldn't mind getting this entire thing out of my collection. So that's that. Then we've got the New Look Cream Highlighter Stick, and it's the same with this. I thought I could wear them as a cream highlighter and then put the MAC one over the top to set it. So this one is in the shade Gold. I'll show you how much I've got left. So that's what I've got left. And in 2024, we'll mark it. Is this all eye bases and lipsticks? Let's talk about the eyeshadows now then. So this has been a project pan. This will be the 2nd year. It's all my Makeup Geek eyeshadows. Right, so I'm not bothered about the ones that I've got dips in or the ones I've not hit pan on. The ones that I'm bothered about are ones like Cupcake, Shimmer Shimmer, Cocoa Bear, and then this one here by Colourpop. I'd really like to get them out of this palette, so that means I need to focus on them if I can. Like say where for instance I need a brown, whether I'm doing a review on the palette or tutorials on the palette, I'm going to use this, and the same with the other shades. So that's that one. I'm just counting this as one. Like on the list here I counted each individual eyeshadow as one, as like one product each, but it took it to like 28 things, and it's 24 and 24, so obviously I'm just counting it as one thing now. Righty-ho, primers. I think these have been counted as one each. So we've got the W7 Prime View, which I always go in with that first, and then we've got the W7 Sparkle Slay. So these are a must. I use these every single day. Even if I wasn't doing project pan, I would be using them every single day. So they're a must. I need them in my life. Oh, there's this brow gel as well. Oops, nearly dropped it. So it's the Juvias Plays Clear Brow Gel. It's new to my collection, and yeah, definitely want to finish that up. Right, we've got 2 eyeliners here, but we've got a black and a brown. We can do this. So we've got the Ted Baker one, which has been in my collection for ages. So I definitely want to put this in the project. And then this one is used every day, apart from today, that is, I've got a green one on today. This is the Wayne Goss Essential Eye Core Pencil. I shouldn't have any problems with this because I use it daily. So those are the 2 eyeliners that I want to use up. Mascaras. We've got, where's the Key Best one? Oh, here. We've got 3. It's excessive, but they're getting on the older side now, and I need to use all of them up. We've got the Key Best Sky High. I've only got that one on today. And we've got the e.l.f. Lash and Roll, and I've actually got a backup that Karen sent to me. So normally I use them 2 together, or I'll use the Essence Get Big Lashes and I'll use one of these with that as well. This one's nearly on its way out, so it shouldn't be hard to actually use that up. I don't know how much more time I've got with these, but yeah, definitely 2024 they'll be out. And then we've got lipsticks. One liquid lipstick, possibly two. Actually, it's probably going to be more like two. So we've got the Too Faced Melted Matte in Queen Bee. And say I use this one, I'm going to bring in another Too Faced Melted Matte because I've got quite a lot of them. I mean, like here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's definite windows there. So it's like if I'm using it on the regular basis, it shouldn't really be an issue. And then this is the one I'm wearing now. It's a Give Beauty in Original Recipe. It's a really new lipstick. I've not had it that long. I got it from TK Maxx and I just think it's drying up. So maybe somebody opened it and it was there for a while. I don't know. It didn't look open when I bought it. Otherwise I wouldn't have bought it. But yeah, I feel like I'm going to have to put that in the project as well. And then we've got these two lip glosses. Definitely do I want to finish this one up, because as soon as I finish this one up, I'm going to get the Maybelline Moon. Even though I'm on a no-buy, it's how I'm working my no-buy. I have done a video on it, but I don't know if I explained myself properly. So lip glosses I don't have that many of. I don't know how many, but it's not a lot compared to lipsticks especially. So I'm going to finish this one off, and then I'm going to bring in the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Moon. I did want the Fenty gloss in Fussy, but I've decided to go the cheaper route because it looks the same. Skincare is on a 1 in 1 out basis as well. Hair care is in a 1 in 1 out basis as well. So is bath care. And I think that might be it. I don't think there's any more stipulations. I was asked by my good friend Lisa if I was going to put any clauses in my no-buy. Like, would I buy something limited edition if it came out and sparked my interest? Well, the answer to that is no, because that will just be my excuse to buy and buy and buy. And I want to stop those old habits. I mean, I really like the Pat McGrath Labs Bijou Brilliance Iron Face Palette. I wish I would have bought that before I went on my no-buy. But I'm on my no-buy now. I'm staying firm. It's been 5 weeks as of now. By the time you see this, it probably be a lot longer. But as of now, it's been about 5 weeks since I last purchased something. And I purchased that. It was the Hourglass palette. I purchased that for Christmas for myself. Prior to me getting stuff in Black Friday for Christmas for myself, I can't even remember when I last purchased something for myself. It might have been the Clinique blush from Depop a couple of months ago. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent here. So this lip gloss here I'm absolutely loving. It's got sparkles in it. I don't know if you can see it. It's just really beautiful. So I don't know how long this is going to take me to use up. Yeah, I want to use that up. This one is, I don't know how many grams, mils or whatever, because it doesn't say, but it's very beautiful. I want to use that up, and then I'll bring another one in. And then we've got the Laura Geller Colour Booster Lip Gloss in City Lights. And it looks like I'm halfway done with it. I don't know how, because I've not used this an awful lot. Hang on. Yeah, there's a big massive window here. Maybe because it's been like that. But there are all the products I want to use up in 2024. There's quite a lot there. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed, but I know that I can do it. And so what I'm planning on doing with Shop My Stash, I'm probably just going to bring one product of each category. It's not to overwhelm myself. I do still want to do Shop My Stash videos. There's certain things that I won't be bringing in, like foundations. I won't be bringing in another foundation, for instance. When it comes to like blushes, highlighters, face palettes and things like that, definitely be bringing stuff in like that. Anyway guys, so these are my plans for 2024. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button. It really does help my channel tremendously. Share and comment, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to welcome you into the little fam, and I'll see you in the next one guys. Bye.